This is what's approach, Salamatsızbı. In the previous videos we learned the pronouns in Kyrgyz language, and in this video I'll explain why we started doing that. Pronouns, explanation part. In this lesson I expect you to know how to read in Cyrillic, which is used in Kyrgyz language. Also have some basic vocabulary. For instance, salam, which means hello. So why did we start to learn pronouns? Because they are universal at referring things. So instead of saying
that weird guy from the sales department, the name of whom I don't remember,
you could refer as al or he in English. And remember, in Kyrgyz there is no such thing as grammatical gender. Well, pretty much similar to English. For instance, a pen is not him or her, so it does not have the gender, as opposed to Russian, where it has the feminine grammatical gender, or German, where it has the masculine gender. So let's have a look at an example that illustrates what I'm talking about. Let's take a word Salamatsızbı, which means formal hello, expressed in so-called respectful manner. So, if you knew the word
salamat,
which means health, the pronoun siz, which in Kyrgyz refers to you in a respectful way, and b, which in most cases expresses the interrogative case or question mark, you might logically guess that the meaning of this word or the phrase in English would be, are you healthy? Or how's your health? So this complex word is actually quite easy to understand once you know the structure. And that brings us to a simple idea that words in Kyrgyz language are formed by adding particles together, like in the case with salamat, siz, b. Well, knowing all that, you can do the puzzle. So in Kyrgyz, by saying hi to somebody, you are asking how he or she is doing. Remember, Kyrgyz culture is a nomadic one. Practicality is one of the cornerstones of Kyrgyz culture. So let's have a look at the other example. Min, and we know that it is I, turist, min. That would be I am a tourist. As you probably can notice, these parts are pretty much similar. So this particle of the word shows that we're talking about me. Thus, even if we get rid of this part, it still will be clear that I am a tourist. So using min or I is not necessarily. Thus, these sentences are equal in meaning. The same is true for the sentence you are a tourist, and instead of min we use sin. And how do you think the ending particle changes at this point? I'll give you a hint, only this letter changes. So this is the task for this video. Write in the comment area how this sentence is gonna look. So you're gonna write or type sin, turist, and the right particle ending. This is what's approach Kyrgyz 101.